Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I do a repair on a small shaft. It's part of a water pump assembly from a motorbike engine. I do a build up on the shaft, or I sleeve the shaft. I'm not quite sure which way I'm going to do it. We'll wait and see till we watch the video. I also do a job for work. Involves a bit of plasma cutting and a bit of welding. I'll show a little bit of that. This is part of a water pump of a motorbike, believe it or not. I'll take the impeller off, it's all loose, it's already been to bits. And the problem it's got is as a seal runs on that shaft, and the seal's worn the shaft away, and also a bearing in a washer. So I've got to repair that shaft so the seal has got a nice clean face to run on. The lad said weld it up. I don't really want it welded up. I don't have to take a gear off. I don't want to get it hot. I think what I'll do is make a bush, ream a bit of probably stainless steel, and then machine that down so that slides into the stainless steel bush, and that should make a decent repair. I can make it a press fit or even a shrink fit. It could be Loctited on. That's not hard, so I can machine it. That's not too bad. And measure out and see what the size we've got. Looks like 10 mil. 12 mil, sorry. It is 12 mil. So if I make a 10 mil bush, we'll take a mil off the other side of that and then slide it on. I've got a 10 mil reamer, so I can make a precisely machined old bush 10 mil, and then I can machine that to be a good fit, like a shrink fit into it. So I'll machine this down to there probably. That's what the bearing runs, that bit's alright, down to there. And it's meant to be the same size all the way down. I think that's going to be the best way of doing it. If I make a mess of it, I'll be able to make a new one, but I'd rather not. I can grip it in a collet chuck on the end of there. That's the plan. This is 14 mil stainless. I'm going to part the piece off, not very long. Then I can put that in the chuck, drill it and ream it all the way through, and then I'll cut at the length. I'm not sure what grade of stainless it is. It's probably 316. It's just a little bit of off cut to come out of the skip actually. You don't need a great lot. We'll throw that some new brushes. This little high-speed steel parting blade does amazingly well. That's cutting that stainless effortlessly. That's a 9.5 mil drill. It stops in the box with a reamer, which is all it's used for. Plenty of lube on the reamer. And we'll slow it down considerably. Reamers run nice and slow, and you only normally run them by in fact you only run them in one direction, which is forwards. so that's it through now, so that hole should be a nice finish and 10mm exact. I'm going to face this one in first before taking it out of there. Make sure there's no rag left in the end. It's going to be a nice clean hole, which it certainly appears to be. I need a mill off here to make this bush the right length. Reasonably true. We'll put a centre in the back of it. Nice that this shaft's got little centres in it. It makes a big difference when you come to repair them, machining them like this. It's lovely, lovely and true. So I need to machine that down just over 10mm and either shrink or press that on, and then we can machine this down to the same size as that, and that's going to be a good repair, I hope. It's just a cheap Banggood tooling. I'll have to get some more of these inserts. I haven't got very many left. I like it because it's got a nice, well, it's got a sharp point on the end, very small radius, which means that you get a nice square shoulder. It's only got a hole in oil steel. I want to speed things up a little bit so I can get a better finish than that. We'll be getting this micrometer out now and have an accurate measure. So it's still cutting, spring cut. That's 10.05 there. Right, I reckon that'll go on there now with a little bit of heat. Fanny's over 10mm. Right, the plan's to warm this up, drop it on there. I have got a socket and a hammer ready, just in case it decides to resist, but I think it should be a decent fit. A pair of pliers, I've got my propane torch, we'll get that shrunk on. The fire brick it's resting on, getting there for a new bottle of gas. Very warm now. Moment of truth. On she goes. And that's it. Shrunk on. That's got that by the bollocks. That won't go anywhere. I'm pleased with that. Got it sort of what you might say just right. We'll let that cool down and then machine that to the same size as the shaft, and that should be a decent repair. If you haven't got the hammer and the socket ready, the bastard won't go on. It's as simple as that. You should fit a lot of starter motor ring gears in the early days, and you had to always have a hammer just in case the bastard wouldn't go on. But that is really shrinking now and getting a good hold of it. I enjoyed that. Yeah, got it by the knackers that has. They'll cool off and we'll machine it probably tomorrow night. This thing's cooled down now. I've got it mounted back in the lathe. Now it's a simple case of turning that down to the original diameter, which was 10mm, and then it should all be good to go. The strange looking sign we've just cut out is actually a job for work. We use papers like this to go on car floors to stop making dirty oil prints on the carpet. The papers generally get ruined with water lying around, so he asked me to make a hole that to go on the wall, so I've cut this out. It's going to be bent into shape and screwed onto the wall. Oh, it's better. I'll have to do that bend by hand. Obviously I can't bend it in there. I don't think anyway. Need to start it. start it in there and that'll be all. Now in fact you can't, because that's going to hit that plate. But it's a good start having those two bent. That one's a little bit past the 90. Let's have resort to old school methods now. Yeah, looks not too bad. And one of them is all hard to do jobs like this with. And it works quite well. And this takes our engineering to a whole new world. That makes setup absolutely spot on to weld that 2mm. This is the new Artec 181. I'm really happy with it. It doesn't need to be welded, but I might as well make a job of it. Quite important that we keep it flat on the bench. Nice coat of black hammerite, it'll be good to go. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because we're all getting near to 100,000. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm not sure about this new hat. I'm really not sure. Somebody sent it in. It's a nice hat, but it sort of hasn't got the, I don't know. What do you think? Anyway, thanks for watching.